Hey guys, one more garage. Got some parts in today. Let's see what we have. I get a lot of parts in a week. I think the mail people hate me. Oh yeah, look at this. A new GoPro. I'm gonna do some ride videos hopefully soon. And this should be the carbon fiber hugger for the Ducati, I hope. These people are actually out of Chandler. Oh yeah. There she is. Again, Chandler, Arizona. This is the second thing I've purchased from them. Looks pretty nice. So it goes right here. We'll see how it turns out. All right guys, thanks a lot. Bye.